How to report bugs or issues in EA games. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can report bugs or issues in EA games. So how can you do this? The first step is to log in into your EA account just like I have done here, and then once you're logged in you will be brought to the home page automatically where you can see all of your games. Once you scroll down, you see all of them here. And then once you can see this, the next step is to navigate through to the help section by moving to the top left corner of the screen and then clicking on the three horizontal dashes as you can see there. Once you click on the three horizontal dashes, a box will be displayed. In this box, you'll see options like view, settings, then help. Once you see help, click on it. Once you've clicked on it, another box will be displayed. In this box, you'll see options like Visit Answers HQ, EA Error Reporter, Restart App Recovery. You just click on EA Error Reporter. Once you click on EA Error Reporter, a window will pop up in the middle of the screen where you can now report a problem to the EA team. Now here you can report your bugs, you can report your issues, and then the first step is to select the problem. All right. Now, what exactly is the problem? Is it with login? Is it with chat? Is it with it's game launch, app launch? Just select the issue you might be facing, and then after selecting the issue, describe the issue here, then input a support ticket number. Although the option it is displayed that is optional, I will advise you input it for a fast response, and then you can now check this box, and then once you're done, click on submit report, and then just like that you will be able to report a bug on EA. It's that simple. Okay, this is how you can report a bug or issues on your EA app. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.